In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch to the old view from the new Google Ads view. This process is straightforward and should only take about 5 minutes, making it perfect for those who want a more familiar interface while managing their ad campaigns. To begin, make your way to Google Ads homepage. This is your primary gateway to accessing your advertising account, containing all your necessary tools and data in one centralized location. Once you're there, you'll notice a prominent sign in button. Go ahead and click on this. Signing into your account is essential as it allows you to access all your campaigns, settings, and reports. After you've signed in, you'll be taken to the Google Ads home. This is the main dashboard where you can view all your active campaigns, check metrics, and make any necessary adjustments. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with the layout here, as understanding how your dashboard is organized will save you time and make managing your ads far more efficient. From the Google Ads home, the next step is to locate the Appearance option. This is where you can change various settings related to how your Google Ads interface looks and functions. Click on it to open up a menu of options. Once you have accessed the appearance settings, you will see options that allow you to transition to the old view. You might find this feature beneficial if you're more accustomed to the previous layout and are looking for features or functions you're more comfortable using. Choosing the old view can provide a more straightforward experience if you're not yet ready to adapt to the new updates Google has introduced. While going through these steps, remember that there may be ongoing updates or differences in the interface depending on your account settings and region. Google frequently updates its tools to enhance user experience and introduce new features, so ensure you stay informed about these changes. That concludes our guide. Switching back to the old view can definitely make navigating your Google Ads account more intuitive if you prefer the earlier setup. It can offer a sense of familiarity and comfort, allowing you to manage your ads effectively without feeling overwhelmed by the new layout. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to explore more content for additional tips and tricks on optimizing your digital advertising experience. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for notifications on our latest videos. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide made your Google Ads management a little smoother today.